Hey, I'm Megan, and this is 10 microeducation apps in 10 days. It's a self-imposed challenge where I build one tiny, functional, shareable app every single day for 10 days straight.
All right, this will be a very quick demo because it just got really late when I was working on this. I initially started trying to build this in Firebase Studio. Did not turn out the way I wanted, so now I'm here. I built it in AI Studio apps, and this is my final product. So you can type in your information here, choose a writing tone, start your story, and here is the chat interface. So I can click on the buttons here to talk about one of these areas, or I can just start typing. Let's click on looking ahead to next week, and it gives you a prompt. So I'm going to say next week, we are going on a field trip to the Science Museum. Okay, send that. When I send that, okay, so this is supposed to, yes, ask you some more questions. So I can do that, or I can click generate my newsletter. So there it will start generating. And once it drafts up the newsletter, which is in this part here, you have the option to copy it. Or, as you can see here, you can either save or edit. If you click edit, then it allows you to, it opens up this like editable text box, which you can change the size of, and you can just save changes, and it goes back to this format where you can't edit it. Okay, so I can save the snippet. Great. And now I am on the, I guess the main page, the page with the snippets and the summaries. And so you can see here, you have your saved snippets. This button here allows me to edit or delete. And here I can choose a time frame, my date picker, and summarize all of the snippets from that time frame. So I just have one, so this is the wrong date, but that's cool. So I don't know why I did that. We will just pretend that it started yesterday. Click that. It might be because I didn't reload the page. When I ran this, it was still open for yesterday. I'm doing this Tuesday morning of day 9. So when I click that, it should start generating, and it will produce, there we go, a summary of the snippets, including a picture from Nano Banana. So with this, you can then save this summary. You can download the PDF. So if I click save, then I have it saved here with the image, and you have the option now, edit, download, delete. Okay, so right now, there is no auth setup because this is an app in AI Studio apps. So if you were to try this, it would, if you reset the profile, or if you came back and reloaded the page, it would delete anything that had been saved. This is just saved to browser memory right now, but we could integrate auth. I usually use Firebase for auth and for storage. So we could integrate that and turn this into a newsletter generator that remembers the user and saves the content. All right, that is the build for today, or for yesterday. I will see you with the video for today's build tomorrow morning.